What's up, guys? It's your boy Jaden Holmes 42 back here with another video. And today, got a little creek down by my school, and I got in a nice little fish trap. It's a simple DIY fish trap. You need some fishing line and just a regular bottle. And you take the bottle and you cut it about right where it starts to form into like here. You just snip it right there, and then you stick it and put it down in there. I just drilled a little hole with my knife and tied some line around it. Wrapped it around there, got some bread. I don't know what kind of minnows are in here. I just discovered it today. Gotta walk down the road a little bit, and I will see you guys when I get down there. Peace. Okay, guys, I've been walking for about a mile, and the thing is about right down there, a bridge thing. So, yeah. Let's see. My internet went out and stuff, so I'll be posting on my Snapchat about that. Haven't really got a chance to upload any YouTube videos or anything. So I figured, hey, why not try this? I just discovered walking home from school today. This little creek has got some minnows in it, so we're going to try to rescue them, put them in a little container, freeze them, and fish with them another day. Now, you guys want to start donating to the channel, subscribe, views more, likes more, tell your friends about me. Well, that was a little close, but anyways, I'm getting down here, and I'll see you guys down at the creek part of it. Okay, guys, we have just made it to the creek thing, so I gotta find the way down, and I'll be back. Okay, guys, so I found a little way down. I've been seeing a couple little minnows and such. Saw a bullfrog. So I'm gonna get the stuff set up and the bread in there, and I will be back in just a couple of seconds. Okay, guys, so I just got the bread and stuff in the container. Gotta find the end of my line. We're gonna go ahead and give this thing a little cast in. Say I put it over there where I've been seeing a couple of minnows that are actually in here. They're actually pretty decent size, so I'm gonna see about getting some water in this thing and tossing it in here. There's a very shallow bank part of this thing. So while I'm putting the bread in here and all the things, I'm trying not to let go of my line and such. Alright, I'm gonna give it a toss in. Okay, guys, the bread trap seems to be sinking. And it's in. So, I'll check on it tomorrow and see if we got any minnows. This is going to conclude today's video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video quality and stuff. I've been working on my things, so it's probably my longest video in a while. So I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on that post notifications so you know whenever I'll be uploading videos. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.